Don't say anything to her. You don't need her judgment. The second she walked in and she saw me and my bloodshot eyes, she knew something was wrong. She knew something was wrong. And all it took was for her to put her hand on top of mine and say to me, "Tell me." I released. I let it all out. We spent over an hour together. That's almost unheard of in a doctor's office. We all know that. You maybe get 10 minutes. She canceled everyone behind me. And she sat and listened as I poured out my heart. And as I did so, the nasty chick voice, oh my gosh, she was screaming, "No, no, don't tell her. No, no, what are you doing?" Yeah. And it was the first time that I heard myself tell her to be quiet.